If you are looking for a very good lightening shower gel to lighten your skin, to glow your skin, to remove dark spots on your skin, to remove your dark armpit, your dark inner thighs, to clear blemishes on the skin, then this video I'm doing is for you. In this video, I'm going to share my honest review on Pawpaw Clarifying Shower Gel. I know a lot of you have seen this shower gel before. A lot of you have come across this shower gel before, but then I'll share my few testimony with you on this shower gel. Okay, this shower gel is one of the best affordable lightening shower gel in the market, and it's a product from Abidjan. Okay, and moreover, it's lighting the skin, it's brightening the skin, it clears dark spots on the skin, it clears blemishes, it removes dark armpits, dark inner thighs on the skin. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys what Pawpaw Clarifying Shower Gel is. I'll share with you guys a few ingredients, okay, that I use to formulate this shower gel. I'll share with you guys who should use this shower gel, and also the roles it plays on the skin, how you should use it properly to achieve a very nice glowing skin, and also the side effect of not using this shower gel very well. This is how this shower gel is. So beautiful people, watch this video till the end. Pawpaw Clarifying Shower Gel is a very good exfoliating shower gel that cleans the skin, that removes dirt on the skin, that removes dead skin cell on the skin, and also it makes the skin very smooth, very soft, and it glows the skin and lightens the skins as well. Now, I'll state some few ingredients that I use to formulate this shower gel. By then, let me share some few testimony from people that have recommended this shower gel too. Okay, I went to the market some time ago and I met one of my old time good friend back in secondary school. You know, when I saw her, she was so dark, her color was uneven tone. So I was like, yo, what really are you using on your skin? And she was like, oh, she's been using this normal cream, but it's not working for her, and moreover, she's not having money to buy organic products, and a whole lot of stories. So I was like, okay, I want to recommend some shower gel for you so that you can go to any shop, even the pharmacy, to grab some and use on your skin. So I recommended this Pawpaw Clarifying Shower Gel for her. Okay, so she grabbed it and she started using it. Within 2 to 3 weeks, she called me. She was like, hey Latini, the shower gel you recommended for me is very good. It has really bring out my natural glow, and in fact I'm loving my skin a lot. You know, she was a dark skin person when I recommended this shower gel to her, but then she ended up having a nice caramel skin tone, and moreover, she was using it with Vaseline. Vaseline is a very good cream that in fact makes the skin very smooth, that makes the skin very soft. So I advised her to get the Vaseline and used it with this shower gel. Now let's look at some few ingredients that is used to formulate this shower gel. Okay, this shower gel is formulated with pawpaw extract. Okay, it's formulated with carrot, it's formulated with citric acid, it's formulated with sodium chloride, it's formulated with a kojic acid, it's formulated with other natural healthy ingredients, and moreover, aqua is formulated with this shower gel. And someone may ask, does it contain hydroquine? Yes, it contains a bit of hydroquine. Okay, so this is the roles it plays on the skin. It's exfoliates the skin, it cleans the skin, it removes dirt on the skin. Okay, and moreover, it makes the skin very smooth, it makes the skin very soft, it's lightening the skin, it's brightening the skin, and it's whitening the skin when you use it consistently. The good news about the shower gel is that it clears dark spots on the skin. But then take note, do not use Pawpaw Clarifying Shower Gel on your face, especially if you have a sensitive face. Okay, do not use it on the face. Now, let me show you some few techniques of how to use this shower gel to lighten your skin or to whiten your skin when you use it consistently. You know, because it's a shower gel anytime you want to bath, please, if you have time for yourself, make sure you apply it on the skin and wait for 15 minutes before going to the bathhouse. Okay, and moreover, make sure that it is well dried on you during that few minutes. Okay, after that, you rinse it off on the skin before bathing with it yourself. Now let's look at how the texture is, or let's look at how the fragrance is. I like smelling my product a lot. I like feeling my product a lot because I just wanted to know how the scent is, how the texture is before applying it on the skin. So there we go. Here it's so thick. Hmm. I feel like I feel like eating it, but it's not something that is edible. It smells so nice. If you are a lover of pawpaw, please, if you are using this shower gel, do not put it in your mouth because it smells like pawpaw. It smells so nice. It smells so nice. And this is how the texture is. So as you have seen it, you can apply it all over the skin. In fact, massage it on the skin in a circular form and wait for 15 minutes before going to the bathhouse. And trust me, it's going to remove all the dirt on your skin. It's going to cleanse your skin. It's going to exfoliate the skin. It's going to make the skin very smooth, very soft, and it's going to lighten the skin as well. And it whitens the skin when you use it consistently. Okay, a caramel skin person can use it to achieve a fairer skin tone, and it's recommended for all skin type. Okay, a normal skin person can use it, a dry skin person can use it, an oily skin person can use it, a sensitive skin person can use it, a combination skin person can also use it as well. It's good for everybody. But then I always state that anytime you are using a product that contains kojic acid, citric acid, hydroquine, do not use it on your face. Okay, and moreover, when you are using it, do not expose the body under the sun. It smells nice, so I really love the fragrance, and this is how the texture is. I don't know if you can see it very clearly, but then this is how it is. It's so good. It's so soft on the skin. Okay, and the side effect of this product when you don't use it properly is that it gives you stretch marks. Okay, so because of the hydroquine inside, so if you are using this shower gel, make sure you get a very nice serum like recovery oil, like bio oil, like any other mild oil. Okay, and use it with it, because if you don't get a very nice oil, a very nice lotion, a very nice cream, and you uses this oil consistently, I mean consistently, when you are done you are buying, when you are done you are buying, you end up having stretch marks. Okay, and moreover, when you are a light, let me tell you one secret about this shower gel. If you are a fairer skin person and you uses this shower gel without any nice body cream or any nice moisturizer, it's going to darken your skin for you. Okay, I don't know why, but people with a fairer skin that have used this product before complain to me that it's darkening their skin, but it's very good for a dark skin person who wants to achieve a caramel skin tone. So if you are a fairer skin person like this lady, you end up darken your skin, or it will make your skin very dull. So I don't know, you can use it with a very good oil, a very good cream, a very good lotion to maintain your skin tone. Okay, and moreover, to avoid the dullness on your skin, you can choose to stay away from it if you are a fairer skin person. But if you want to glow, you want to brighten, you want to lighten, you have a normal skin, you are a dark skin, you are a caramel skin, and you want to glow a bit, you can use it to achieve the exact result that you want. Okay, it itches the skin. These are the side effects. Okay, it itches the skin, it irritates the skin, it gives stretch marks on the skin. When you use it consistently, it gives stretch marks on the skin if you have a sensitive skin. Okay, it's good for everybody. It's lighting, it's brightening, it glows. So if you have ever used this pawpaw clarifying shower gel before, you can please share your testimony with me, your review, both the good side and then the bad side as well. And moreover, if you have not subscribed to Latini Skincare channel, I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification so that you will be the first person to receive a notification from me. And to my return subscribers, I always appreciate you. I'm so glad you come back to this channel, you support the channel, and please, God bless you so much. Have a nice day and do stay blessed. Bye bye.